Forget everything you thought you knew about electric scooters, because three wheels are changing the game. In 2026, we're seeing electric three-wheelers that are more stable, more comfortable, and in some cases so futuristic they barely look like scooters anymore. From compact city machines and powerful utility scooters to fully enclosed vehicles designed to keep you protected from the weather, there's a surprising amount of variety in this growing category. And some of these machines pack serious range, smart features, and designs you probably haven't seen before. So today, we're counting down the top 15 best electric three-wheeler scooters for 2026. Stay with us, because a few of these are seriously wild, and number one might be the most impressive of them all. Avvenire Tectus. Avvenire Tectus is a futuristic enclosed three-wheel electric mobility scooter built for all-weather travel. Its 2,000-watt motor delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, while the large 2,400 watt-hour battery provides up to 99 miles of range. The Tectus also features AWD, climate control, GPS tracking, wireless charging, and a backup camera. Current pricing starts around $8,995, making it a premium choice for year-round electric mobility. Furo Raptor. Furo Raptor is a futuristic three-wheel electric mobility scooter designed as a modular platform. Its detachable upper and lower sections allow different configurations for various uses. The Raptor weighs 119 pounds and reaches up to 25 miles per hour, with a cruising speed of 19 miles per hour and a claimed range of about 25 miles. Its 48-volt battery takes up to 7 hours to charge. Veo Rover. Veo Rover is a futuristic self-balancing three-wheel electric scooter designed to make micromobility more accessible. It features a stable three-wheel layout, intuitive controls, and a comfortable seated riding position, making it especially appealing to new riders. However, Veo currently lists the trike as coming soon and has not published verified speed, range, or purchase pricing. Lindebjerg Country II. Lindebjerg Country II is a spacious enclosed three-wheel electric scooter designed for comfortable year-round travel. Its 1,200-watt motor reaches 15.5 miles per hour, while the battery can provide up to 37 miles of range under ideal conditions. It accommodates up to 496 pounds and includes heating, electric windows, LED lighting, USB charging, Bluetooth, and multiple storage areas. A listed price is around $5,500 depending on configuration and market. Stormborn Y8 Kabinenroller. Stormborn Y8 Kabinenroller is a fully enclosed three-wheel electric scooter with a 2-kilowatt motor and 60-volt 58-ampere-hour lead gel battery. It reaches 28 miles per hour and offers up to 50 miles of range while seating 2 people. Features include heating, electric windows, a rear camera, glass roof, MP3 player, and 3-point seatbelt. The listed price starts at €5,300, approximately $6,200, making it a practical weather-protected commuter. Drive Medical ZooMe 3. Drive Medical ZooMe 3 is a sporty three-wheel electric scooter powered by a 350-watt brushless hub motor. It reaches a top speed of 15 miles per hour and offers up to 20 miles of range. The 78-pound design features a folding tiller, pneumatic tires, front basket, LED headlight, handbrake, and anti-tip wheel. It supports riders up to 300 pounds, making it a practical choice for recreational rides and everyday mobility. Veleco CRISTAL. Veleco CRISTAL is a comfortable three-wheel electric mobility scooter powered by a 1,000-watt motor and 60-volt battery. It reaches 8 miles per hour and offers up to 37 miles of range with suspension and a 160-kilogram payload capacity. The scooter also features LED lighting, a comfortable seat, and practical storage. The official UK price is £1,470, roughly $1,945, making it a solid option for everyday mobility and stability. TopMate ES33. TopMate ES33 is a lightweight three-wheel electric scooter powered by a 250-watt brushless motor and a removable 36-volt 7.8 ampere-hour lithium battery. It reaches 15 miles per hour and offers up to 18.6 miles of range, while supporting riders up to 220 pounds. Its foldable design, reverse function, 8-inch tires, and compact 33-pound weight make it highly portable. The current listed price is around $730, depending on the retailer. Massimo Electric iTank. The Massimo iTank 3000 watts is a futuristic three-wheel electric scooter that combines serious power with impressive stability. Its 3000-watt Bosch motor delivers a top speed of 25 miles per hour, while dual lithium batteries provide up to 43 miles of range. Hydraulic disc brakes, LED lighting, an LCD display, and innovative suspension add comfort and control. Priced at around $4,995, the iTank is an eye-catching premium electric ride for urban cruising. Tomofree K7 Pro. Tomofree K7 Pro is a compact and foldable three-wheel electric scooter powered by a 400-watt brushless motor and a 36-volt 7.5 ampere-hour lithium battery. It reaches up to 15 miles per hour and offers up to 15 miles of range, while supporting riders up to 220 pounds. A wider 17.7-inch rear axle improves stability, and the reverse gear adds convenience. The K7 Pro is currently priced around $700. Citycoco Golf HT5. Citycoco Golf HT5 is a stylish three-wheel electric scooter designed with golfers in mind. It uses a 2000-watt brushless hub motor, 60-volt 20 ampere-hour lithium battery, and reaches up to 45 kilometers per hour. The claimed range is 80 to 100 kilometers, while front hydraulic suspension and disc brakes improve comfort and control. It also includes a golf stand, trunk, LED headlight, and LCD display. Current pricing starts around $753. PXID F2. PXID F2 is a sporty three-wheel electric scooter powered by dual 500-watt motors, producing 1000 watts combined output and reaching 28 miles per hour. Its 48-volt 23.4 ampere-hour battery delivers up to 40 miles of range, while front and rear suspension, tubeless tires, and a 330-pound payload capacity improve comfort and stability. Weighing about 107 pounds, it also folds for transport. Pricing varies by seller, with listings around $1,315 to $1,464. Boomerbeast D AWD. Boomerbeast D AWD is a rugged three-wheel electric mobility scooter designed for both on-road and off-road adventures. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers extra traction across different terrain, while the tough chassis gives it a serious, go-anywhere character. Daymak also developed the Boomerbeast around solar charging and app-based control. The updated model offers up to 62 miles of range, making it an unusual choice for riders wanting stability, capability, and adventure. Elektro Econelo Nelo 3.2. Elektro Econelo Nelo 3.2 is a fully enclosed three-wheel electric scooter powered by a 2200-watt motor and a 60-volt 48 ampere-hour battery. It reaches up to 28 miles per hour and offers around 31 miles of range with a 230 kilogram payload capacity. Features include disc brakes, electric windows, heating, Bluetooth, reverse camera, and a 7-inch LCD display. A current Polish listing is 30,000 Polish zlotys, roughly $8,000 US. Massimo Electric iTango. Massimo Electric iTango is a powerful three-wheel electric scooter featuring a 1,500-watt motor and a top speed of 30 miles per hour. Its battery provides a claimed range of up to 44 miles, giving it plenty of capability for longer rides. The three-wheel layout adds stability, while the scooter's automotive-inspired design makes it stand out from typical mobility scooters. With a current listed price of $2,995, the iTango offers an impressive mix of performance and practicality.